Alright, so this hose powers the outdoor solar shower here. The water is actually coming down from Morris Creek, and there's a little insert about, I don't know, 100 yards up that you insert the pipe into a little wood bracket that has a hole in it, and it creates a bunch of water pressure and gets this creek water to come in here. And then, so the way to heat it up is these black barrels absorb the sunlight during the day, and then you've got your shower back in here, which is real nice. So you come up here and you've got a little bucket, and just pull the lever, little sitting area, so you're good to go. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually brought this tub over here because I'm going to do a sauna tonight, and it's getting kind of warm out here, but evenings are still pretty cool. So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to hit the sauna, and I think I'm going to put my deep dish 10-inch cast iron skillet on the stove with some water in it and get some like some steam going in here. But then go from here to, filling up the little tub over here with this spring water. And this is really cold. I mean, this is like pretty much mountain runoff, like snow melt. And it's also spring driven, so we can take this over here. And as you can tell, there's a pretty good flow. So anyway, I'm gonna get this all squared away, and then I'm gonna head to the main house real quick and check email, and then come back here and just enjoy like a really nice peaceful evening.